Right, we started fitting this MG back up, all unmasked. We've polished up all the top flat surfaces because they didn't seem to flow out as well as the sides. So we've done the scuttle, top of the shell, the boot and the bonnet were already polished. They look flat as folk. So we've stuck them on so we can free up a couple of trestles to do different jobs on. Now we're just trying to work out what bolt goes where because we've got umpteen boxes of them. The main job is getting this dash back in. After that it should be pretty easy, he says. Yeah, we're just going around doing all the little bits so we can get the big panels back on. We're quite a busy week next week, so we've got to get this and the pulse done and a little lambretta out there. Busy, busy. Hello, is it me you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes, I can see it in your smile. You're all I ever wanted, something else. I don't know what the words are. I don't even know where this is going to pop up in the videos. I know this is meant to be MG video, but I've been rubbish at keeping up with recording how I'm fitting it up because I feel like crap basically. Just lurgy, run down, general crap, not Rona. Anyway, we're going to have a look at it in a minute. This is the reason why I had to get the MG out of the booth last week. It's what is it? Let's spin it round. It's a Porsche. Don't ask me what model. I am not a car person. I just paint them and go home. It's a black Porsche. It had lacquer peel all around the edges. It's had a really crap paint job. Lacquer peel, stone chips, a million holes for the number plates. So we've smoothed all that in. Yes, I'm leaving these in because there's no plugs. It's wired straight into the loom, into the plug. So they're staying in. There's a gap, don't worry, leave me alone. This one was same. It had too many holes on the front. He's putting a vinyl on it, the vinyl number plate. Smoothed it in. It had stress cracks up here, so had a little bump on the front. But I don't know if these are standard. On this one, these little holes in here, and it's got these stupid ass meshes that go in. They're like a ball ache to get out. Hopefully I ain't going to scratch a crap out of it putting it back in. This, yeah, it's a little bubble here, and the paint was flaking off underneath. So rubbed it back to bare metal. There was nothing here, but it was a bit rusty underneath. he wanted, if that was rust, he wanted a little weld put in it. By the time this video goes on, I'll have spoken to the owner anyway about it. But he wanted it future-proof, rust-wise, weld a new bit in. But the bit we thought was rusty wasn't, and the bit right around the inside, I mean, to sort all that out with a new bit, the cut all round the arch, weld all that in, is just going to distort the whole panel. It's a bit above what we do here, especially on a nice motor like this, if that's what you're into. If it was an old shit box, it's a bit different, but getting involved with all that, and anyway. Alright, let's go and see Al. He's done the dash. Hi Al.
Instead of making a noise over the music, you could edit a bit out and walk from there to there.
Yeah. The videos take long enough.
Eh?
The videos take long enough. Doors are all fitted back up, all the door cards, all the gubbins. Dash is back in. What we've got left? Wings. Wings. Little front bumpery bit. And roof screen. Rear lights. And a good polish. Here we are. First view of it outside. All day fitting up. Past few days polishing, fitting. Alan's fitting most of it up. Right, you ready? Boom. Look at that. The owner's got the rest of the bits, all the chromes and bumpers. I'll get him to send some photos when he's done. That light's working now. Oh, brake light.
Yeah, it's like a pocket brake.
Yeah, but there weren't nothing going to it, was there?
Yeah, the brakes were working. Just the side light.
Saturday morning. It's the morning after we finished it last night. Owner's coming in to get it in a couple of hours, so we're just going to have a laugh and wrapped it up. Stuck a little bow on it. I'll set the camera up, see if I can get his reaction, see how much swearing there is. Hopefully he'll be happy with it. I'm over the moon with how it came out. It's not often I'm happy with a job, but this one, yeah, I think we've done quite well with this one. Alan was, I don't know, shocked me a bit this week. Really impressed me how well we got it back together. Got it all polished on his own. Yeah, well done Al, if you're watching. Well done to the old man for all his welding. Thank you very much. Good teamwork. Right, I'm going to turn this off. Next time you see it, hopefully it'll be the owner coming through the door. Wingin'! Where are they? Where are you going? What are you alright, mate?
Well done, fella. Fucking alright, mate. Alright.
Oh, let me get him to take the sheet off.
Make it all spare.
Car, isn't it?
Yeah, ain't it though? Shame to take it out and get it fucking dirty.
Yeah.
Fucking hell.
You're not allowed to drive it now.
No. Jesus. Do you know what I was fucking...
It's a nice colour.
Do you know what? It ain't really ain't come out fucking bad, has it? Because to be honest, I changed my mind on the colour. I did change my mind, but actually I'm fucking pleased I didn't. That's come out lovely. But yeah,
it's better outside in the sun. It's a shame. What's it like there? Is the sun out?
No,
that's a shame because we pulled it out front there yesterday. We'll get a few snaps of it and just polish it up a little bit. See what it looks like. Yeah, so
I'll get all the old regalia on later on.
Yeah.
They got your door shut. Yeah, your door shut.
See you later, mate. Come on out.
You're not actually going to superimpose this little fucking crutch.
Right, that's us all done with the MG. Thanks for watching, thanks for following. Give us a like, a thumbs up, subscribe, whatever you want. See you on the next one.